Hello everyone, my name's Katrina, and when I was choosing the topic for this paper, I was really torn between the treatment of ADHD, the treatment of feeding disorders, and the treatment of non-compliance. So I work as an RBT in a clinic setting, and these are the type of behaviors I see a lot across all our clients. And I do work with one particular client who does have a feeding disorder. And I've worked with kids before that have feeding disorders, and they have very similar issues. I just never knew how to properly treat that. So that was something I was really interested in doing, especially now since I am facing that on a daily basis. So the actual topic I landed on was behavior disorders, since I thought it would have been a good catch-all for all these topics, and general enough that I can learn kind of a lot of the basics that I need that I can apply to other disorders. So yeah, that is my paper topic, and thank you for listening.